18 people have died and more than 200,000 are without power. The deadly winter storm hitting Buffalo and western New York really hard. More than 2 feet of snow has fallen there, and the airport's been shut down until tomorrow. Rescue crews are trying to get air traffic controllers who are stuck in the tower. A driving ban also remains in effect there, where emergency crews had to make more than 50 rescues for drivers trapped in their cars. Officials reminding residents that if they get stuck, it may be hard to reach them.
It's not something that we're proud of, but in the worst affected areas, there is no emergency service available.
Massive storm also taking a toll on air travel. Friday hit the record for the highest number of cancellations this year, with more than 20% of all flights canceled. And stay with Eyewitness News as we track the bitter cold temperatures. Be sure to download the ABC 7 NY app so you can stay on top of the forecast around the clock.
Great. Look at this. That is outside. Anybody want to sit and enjoy a view? Buffalo, New York. Crazy, crazy snowstorm. 4 feet of snow, 70-mile-an-hour winds, 27-foot waves, coating trees. Everything is under ice. Absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like this. Look at this. Completely coated in ice. This is crazy. Look at how much ice this is. Hope it don't fall. The whole shoreline is covered in ice. You'd think it would take a while for all this to melt or be taken care of. No, it's going to be 55 degrees tomorrow. I'm not even kidding you. It's 12 degrees right now with the wind chill. It is going to be 55 degrees tomorrow, 52 on Thursday, and 61 next week, Tuesday, with 50s and high 40s in between. Can't even make it up. Buffalo weather is second to none. All of this ice is going to be melted. So there's going to be some big floods coming. Check your sump pumps and stay safe out there. If you live in warm temperatures, well, enjoy, because that is not the case here. Wow.
I hear the train a-coming. It's rolling around the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine. I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a-rolling. All down to San Antonio. All down to San Antonio. Well,
10 anos nos Estados Unidos. Essa é a pior tempestade que eu já vi. Isso aqui é um posto. No meio da estrada, fecharam o posto. Todos os carros estão parados aqui. O negócio tá muito sinistro. Tá muito frio. Muita neve. Todos esses carros tem gente dentro. Olha isso aqui, ó. Olha a bomba de combustível. Eu nunca, 10 anos nos Estados Unidos, nunca vi. Eu nunca fui de parar na estrada. Mas eu parei porque eu sou pai, tenho 2 filhos. E eu fiquei com medo. De verdade, com medo. Olha isso aqui. Que louco. Que Deus proteja a gente aí na estrada. Tem mais 2 horas e meia ainda. Mas não vou mentir, tô com medo.
Stop. Someone's definitely gonna hit us.
Better then, or should we wait for like a plow?
I mean,
I can't see either.
wait for a plow. Yeah, because there's one gonna be coming.